Have you been thinking of buying a house but are worried about a low credit score? We'll talk about ways you can improve your credit score on today's Team Tuesday.
Team Tuesday, yeah, don't everybody shout at once.
Hi, I'm Realtor Melissa Rolbiecki, and this is Christi Reece, and welcome to Team Tuesday, and today's topic, credit scores.
Yep, very important topic. Your credit score is a big factor when applying for a home loan. The better the score, the more likely you'll get approved for a loan. But it can also affect what kind of interest rate you are eligible for, which is a big deal, especially when rates are higher like they have been in the recent past.
Fortunately, there are some simple ways to improve your credit score. It may take a few months to see the effects, so it's good to plan ahead to get on it now if you hope to buy a home in the near future.
According to Investopedia, here are 8 steps that could get your credit score in better shape. Number 1, review your credit reports. You need to know where you stand first and foremost, so get your credit report from the 3 major national credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review those reports and see what's helping or hurting your score. Have you done that lately, Melissa?
I have.
All right.
You're entitled to a free copy of your credit report from all 3 bureaus once a year, but make sure you are doing a soft inquiry so that your credit score isn't affected by the report pulling. Some banks offer free credit monitoring, so check to see if your bank offers this service that tells you when your credit rating changes.
A lot of them do. Step 2, get a handle on bill payments. This means paying your bills on time. You can get better at this by creating a file system, paper or digital, to keep track of bills. And setting due date alerts and automating bill payments can also be a great way to be timely on your payments and make sure you don't miss anything.
Number 3, aim for 30% credit utilization or less. Paying your credit card balance in full each month is ideal, but if you can't do that, aim to keep your outstanding balance at 30% or less of your total credit limit. Then you can work on whittling down even more each month.
Number 4, limit your request for new credit. When you apply for a new credit card, a mortgage, an auto loan, and other things like that, these are hard inquiries and can change your credit score. An occasional one shouldn't have much of an effect, but many in a short period of time can definitely ding your credit score.
Number 5 is the reverse, having too thin of credit file or not enough credit history. There are different options out there to make your file more robust. A few to look into are Experian Boost and Ultra Fico, both of which are free programs.
We have had buyers come in and not have any credit history at all. Makes it tough to buy. Number 6, keep your old accounts open and deal with any delinquencies. The age of your accounts does matter. The older the account age, the better. So if you have old accounts you aren't using, don't close them. And if you have delinquent accounts, take action to resolve them.
Number 7, consider consolidating your debts. If you have a number of outstanding debts, you might think about taking a debt consolidation loan from a bank. You'll have just one payment to deal with, and you might be able to get a lower interest rate on the loan, which means you can pay your debt down faster.
That's right. So finally, number 8, use credit monitoring to track your progress. Many of these services are free and will monitor changes in your credit report. As we mentioned earlier, your bank may have this service and it may be a free service from them, but there are other services you can look into. Some services can even help prevent identity theft and fraud, which is so scary. So make sure you're covered.
So there you have it, a handful of ways you can work on your credit score. Working with a great local lender, they can also help guide you through this process, and it's always good to consult a financial advisor when planning for your future. If you've been thinking about buying a home or have any questions about this, don't hesitate to call us at 970-589-7700. We would love to help you. Thank you for joining us for Team Tuesday, and have a great day.
See you next week.